Moving Day by Robert Munsch. Pictures by Michael Marchenko. Moving Day. On moving day, Danielle's mother and father were running around and putting everything into boxes. Her dad was yelling, "The moving truck is coming! The moving truck is coming!" Her mom was yelling, "In boxes! In boxes! Everything in boxes!" Danielle was standing in the middle of the living room, wondering what to do. Her mother said, "Danielle, don't just stand there. Do something. Pack something. Take care of the little kids. Take care of your little sister." "Okay," said Danielle. Julianne was playing in her bedroom. Danielle picked her up, put her in a box with some pillows, and taped it all around. Her mother came by and said, "Danielle, did you take care of your little sister?" "Definitely taken care of," said Danielle. "Good. Well, do something else. Take care of your little brother." "Right," said Danielle. She went and found her brother and said, "How are you doing, Christopher?" "I'm doing just fine," said Christopher. "Good," said Danielle. She picked him up and put him in a box with some blankets. She packed towels all around and taped it up. Her mother came by and said, "Oh, Danielle, you are being so quiet and so nice. Have you taken care of Julian and Christopher?" "Oh, yes," said Danielle. "I've taken care of them just fine." "Good," said her mother. "Well, pack something else up. Go help Lauren." So Danielle went up to Lauren's room. She pushed Lauren into a box of stuffed animals, covered her up with the toys, and taped it all over. Then Danielle went to her mom and said, "I'm done with Lauren. What should I do now?" "Oh, go help Rylan," said her mom. Danielle went into Rylan's room. Rylan was standing in the middle singing. "Now that's useful," said Danielle. And she pushed Rylan into a box of sweaters. Rylan said all kinds of horrible things, and Danielle didn't say anything. Finally, the truck came, and the movers were taking out the boxes. Danielle's mother said, "Danielle, you're being so quiet, and all the other kids are being so quiet. You did a wonderful job with them. Where are they?" "In the boxes," said Danielle. "I packed them in boxes and taped them all up." "Oh no," said her mother. "We have to stop and get them out." But her dad said, "Wait a minute, the moving truck is here, and we can't stop. We'll get them out at the other end." So they jumped into the car and followed the truck down the road to the new house. They got all the boxes out and piled them up. Danielle's mom and dad looked at the boxes and said, "So, where are they?" "Well," said Danielle, "you just got to listen." She put her ear to one box and heard, "La la 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 la." And she said, "That's Julian. She's in there. She's singing." Her mom opened up the box and Julian was fine. Danielle listened to another box and heard, "Thumpity thump, thumpity thump, thumpity thump." She said, "Oh, that must be Christopher. He's kicking." Her dad opened up the box and Christopher was fine. Danielle listened to another box and heard, "Zee, zee, Zzz, zzz. She said, "That's Lauren. She's sleeping." Her mother opened up the box and Lauren was fine. Danielle listened to another box and heard someone yelling, "I'm going to get you. You're going to pay." And she said, "That's Rylan. He's mad about something." Her father opened up the box and Rylan was fine. And her parents had lots of time to unpack because the little kids spent the next 3 days chasing Danielle, trying to put her in a box. The end.